it's Seatbelt Sessions for Swansea Music Hub at Croeso Festival. We're here with Mari Mathias and her lovely band. Can you introduce yourself to us, guys?
You go first.
Yeah.
I'm Meg. Mari.
Jed.
Cool, and where are you all from, guys?
So I'm from West Wales and moved to Cardiff and met these guys. And you're from?
Yeah, I'm from Newport, so South Wales as well.
I've lived around a lot of places, but originally from Glasgow.
Hiya, and I'm Mari Mathias. My name's Mari Mathias and this is my band and this song is called A Quilt.
How would you describe the sound?
It's kind of like Welsh folk music, but it's got a contemporary twist, so we're taking old folk melodies and giving it a bit of an edge, modern edge.
Wicked. And Mari, you speak Welsh, and a lot of your music is in the Welsh language. How important to you is that?
Oh, so important. I think promoting like our Celtic language is so important, and connecting to like Welsh people and communities. I think it's like a part of why we're doing it and why I want to keep writing in Welsh. Yeah,
definitely, it's great. And you know, I've seen you getting involved with like St David's Day, the I Said Father and things, and obviously it's really important. Really nice pull back to who you are. Like this for you, how important do you think they are for kind of promoting the Welsh scene?
Yeah, it's so nice to be able to perform again and like connect to audiences, and I think that's a part we've kind of missed over the last few years, and it's like time now to really kind of push our new music and like connect to audiences and Welsh language speakers.
Yeah, definitely. Anything about the album?
Yeah, so it's called Anon. It's a concept album. I found my great-grandfather's cassette tapes over the lockdown and kind of used them as samples in these new songs, and it's all about Welsh folk melodies, some folk songs that I've kind of put a story towards them, and it's kind of like promoting like Welsh communities and language, and it's just really important to me and my community, and
That sounds wicked.
Single from the album, which is called Rebel, and it's based on Rebecca Riot, so where men dress up as Welsh ladies and they protested against the tolls, and so it's all about that kind of fighting for language and your rights as Welsh people, and then there's going to be a second single out on the 11th of March, and then the album will be out on the 20th.
Wicked. Yeah. Okay, great. You've got it all going on.
Yeah.
Wicked. We're here with Swansea Music Hub with Mari Mathias and her band, and we're about to play Don't Take Me for a Fuel. Beep, 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 yeah! So guys, I'm going to read you out a list of 10 lyrics from songs. You have to tell me whether they are from real songs or whether we just made them up. Are you ready to rumble?
We'll give it a go.
Okay.
Go on.
You have 60 seconds, but I reckon you might be able to do it all within that time. If you get all 10, you can have the car.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that is. Okay.
Yeah,
Let's give
the
it
odds
a
are on. Starting now. Number 1, I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. Real. Number 2, I ran out of petrol on the M4.
Fake.
Fake. Number 3, I smell of wine and cheap perfume.
True.
It's real. Number 4, the mirror's image tells me it's home time.
True.
It's real. Number 5, the train went so fast I didn't know what to think.
Fake.
It's fake. Number 6, it's time for Africa.
Oh. Real.
It's real. It is time for Africa. Number 7, it went dark, lights out, party time.
I want it to be real.
What are we saying?
I don't even know, Lee. You wrote that one. Is that one fake?
There we go.
Thanks.
I had no idea. Hey, I put real and fake after all of them, but I was like, okay, we'll start that one again. It was fake. Number 8, eat, sleep, rave, go back to sleep.
I feel like it would be phrased differently.
Fake.
It's fake.
Yeah.
Number 9, suits on suits and cartoons, they rule my world.
Oh, real.
Real. And number 10, I'm waiting for it, the green light, I want it.
Real.
It's real.
Did we just
Did
get
they just
10?
win my car?
Oh,
Okay, see you later, guys. Okay, Mari Mathias has just got 10 out of 10 on Don't Take Me For A Fuel. Frankly, they've taken me for a fuel. Right, guys, I can't believe it. Enjoy the car.
Cheers.
I hope it makes you very happy.
Lily.